Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a audio spectrum in using CapCut PC like you see here. Okay, let's go. Okay, first you have to open the CapCut. Click on create project. It is loaded. Click on import. I download the audio spectrum before. Add it to this. And you can see it is added. Now click on import again. There is a photo I have downloaded for this background. Wait for the sound to research it and research this for here. This sound to up. Now to remove this green screen, click on here. Now remove BG. Go down. Here you can see the chroma key. Tick it. Now go here. You can see the color is green. Pick the color you want to like. Select the green color. You can see it is gone now. Yes. Now I have downloaded my logo for the center. Import it again. This one to up to the okay. Now you can resize this. Like this. Now go to the mask in this logo. Click on this circle. Okay, you want internet for this. Okay, you can see it works. Just this you want. Okay, you can see it's okay. Now play this. Okay, now you can export this from here. So here you can select your path. Click on export after it. Okay, now I am gonna end my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and help me to achieve the 1000 subscribers goal. And don't forget to like and share. And thanks for watching.